Kaibigan, jersey number 30. Pinalawawan na ng nakapasakan. Pass by Malyani. Malyani pass by MJ. Another one by MJ. Paul. Good take by Paul. Yes! Hindi pumasok ang tira ni Paul. Gagawin ba Lee? Mr. Joseph, jersey number 3. Lee. Level by Lee, pass by Ponce, Red Horse. Yes! Hindi pumasok ang 3 points.
Alas 5 ng hapon.
Hindi pumasok. Kaibigan, tuloy-tuloy sa base, ang natitira. Hindi pumasok ang 3 by Lee.
Lunis, pasok pa.
Joseph. Yes, sir! Hindi pumasok. MJ, rebound by MJ, pass by Paul. Rebound by Paul, pass by jersey number 1, hindi pumasok. Mendoza, jersey number 5. Good luck. Kaibigan, pass by Malyani. Malyani, back to Kaibigan. Kaibigan, pass by jersey number 1, easy basket by jersey number 1. Basket, 3-0.
Parang
Pero why?
lahat ng kalaro na, no? Wala nang bangko.
Victor.
Yan. Oh, nakashoot po.
Yes, sir! Hindi pumasok. Paul. Pass by Arman. Arman. Yes, hindi pumasok. 1 by Ponce. Pass by Mendoza. Mendoza by Lee. Dribble by Lee. Tumira na may kasama pang foul. Yes, sir. By Victor. 3-1. Paul, dinadala ang bola ni Paul. Naghanap ng mapapasaran, pass by Malyani, another one by Paul. Paul by MJ. Good take. Back to Paul. Yes, hindi pumasok ang nila ni Paul. Nag-rebound ni Mendoza, pass by Lee. Binaban Lee ang bola. Pass by Vargas. Easy layup by Vargas. 3-2. Isa lang ito, palaman ng away. Dinadala ko ni kaibigan ng bola. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Good fake, pass by Arman. Foul. May kasamang foul ang kanyang talon. Right, Paul. Dribbled by Paul. Paul pass by MJ. Back to Paul. Paul! Di pumasok. Mendoza. Mendoza by Ponce. Loose ball by Ponce. Alright. Ating oras, 2 minutes at 25 seconds. Kaibigan, tumukod sa 3. Yes! Hindi pumasok by Paul. Paul by Arman. Arman dribbling. Tumira si Arman. Hindi pumasok. Na-rebound ni Roland. Top by Mendoza. Mendoza by Lee. Dribbling by Lee. Binabang bola. Naghahanap ng pagpapasaran. By Victor. Victor! Tumukod. Hindi pumasok. Another one, basket! Hindi po masok. Good rebound by Paul. Paul by Arman. Arman 1 by Lee. Arman by Lee. Arman by Lee. MJ. Yes, hindi mo masok. Another one by MJ. Mendoza. Binabang ang bola ni Mendoza. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Easy basket. Hindi po masok. Good rebound by Malyani. Malyani, jersey number 20. Pass by good steal by Lee. Lee by Ponce. Ponce. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket si Ponce. Rebound by Ponce. Inigutan. Pass by Victor. Good assist by Victor. All three. Favor of safe score.
Favor of ball.
Last 2 minutes and 4 seconds.
Brought to you by
Sponsored by Red Horse. Pitong gata. Alright, good steal by Vasquez. Mendoza. Easy basket by Mendoza. Lamang na po ang black. Change favor na po ang black. Nice. Dribble, pass by Ponce by Mendoza, Mendoza by Ponce, Ponce by Mendoza, 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 yes sir! Basket by Mendoza.
Sige.
Last 37 seconds. Arman. Pass by Malyari, Malyari tumukol. Yes sir! Basket by Malyari. Ang ating oras ay 25 seconds remaining. Victor. Ating score 6-4. Nagpapatunang dalawa ang black team. Rebound by jersey number 23. Pass by
Sisid.
jersey number 30. Pass by jersey number 17. Pass by jersey number 4.
Asa yung kasama?
Yes sir! To me!
Ikaw dumating ka pa sa akin.
Si Marlon lang.
Two.
Asa Marlon lang?
Inat ko hindi dumating. Sensya na po sa...
Hindi, kala ko hindi pa nakakalaro. Ililista ko kasi.
Change score.
Si Marlon sumakit yung chan bigla.
Nasa lubong mo nga.
Change score.
Akala ko naman.
Favor of 8-4. Black team. Alright.
Report.
8-4, 8-4. Favor of black.
Desert, ha?
Okay, set for 7 minutes. 8. Paul, tumukol sa press. Yes, sir! Three by Paul.
May nanonood kasi. May nanonood.
8-6. Dalawa na lang po, kalamangan ng black team. Dinadala ang bola ni jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. Pinasa kay Ponce. Another 3 by Ponce. Hindi pumasok. Alright. Paul. Dribbling by Paul. Nagkaroon ng mga kapasahan. Paul by dribbling. Tumira naman sa tres. Yes! Hindi na naman pumasok. Hindi pa pumasok. Alright. Nang hawak. Michael. Malyari. Paul. Malyari. Arman. Wala. Basket! By basket. Easy na lang by Malyari. Easy basket by Malyari. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Favor of black. 9-7 ang ating score. Final score is 9-7. Ating oras, 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Mendoza, good rebound by Paul. Rebound by Paul. Paul by Paul. Rebound by Paul. Tatlo, kinalaman na tatlo. Nakalusot pa rin. Pass by Arman. Easy basket. Good assist by Paul. Isa na lang po, kalaman ng block. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Jersey number 17, Lil. Lamang pa rin po ang block ng isang puntos. Pass by Mendoza! Mendoza! Foul. May nakuwang foul. May kasamang foul ang kanyang pasok. Alright, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Jersey number 17, Lee. Good! Still by Arman. Tuloy sa basket. Pass by Malyari. Yes, sir! Deadlock score! Deadlock score! Deadlock score! Passes! Hindi pumasok. Good by Paul. Yes, sir, by Arman. Arman by Malyari. Malyari. Easy basket. Naman na po. White. James Favor na. Agad na lang pagkakalaban eh. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Alright. Naman na po ang White. Alright. Pass by Vasquez. Lua. Malyari. Wabay-wabay po sa Monseban Arman. Arman good pace by Malyari. Yes, sir. Dalawa na po ang kalamangan ng White. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Lim. May kasamang foul. Ang ating oras. Lamang puti lang, dalawa. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Lamang po ang white team. Yes, hindi pa rin pumasok. Pinalabaw na, hindi pa rin pumasok. Pass by Ponce. Ponce nagkaroon ng papasahan. Back to Lee. Lee by Ponce. Ponce, na-lose ball. Another Ponce. Jersey number 16, nagkaroon ng mapapasahan. Lee. Alright, game 3 ready. Ian, Oni, Rob, Back, Ed. Ayun. White team yun, ha? Yung nakakanawag na yun. Alright, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Ang black team.
10-0.
Lamang ang puti ng dalawa, 10-12. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. LJ. Kaibigan. Kaibigan, pumunta sa tres. Yes! Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Mr. Lee. Rebound by Mr. Lee. Rebound sa basket pass by Ponce. Ponce naghanap ng mapapasahan. Pumuwesto sa tres. Rebound pass by Mendoza. Mendoza pass by Lee. Lee umiikot. Umatras pass by Mendoza. Good steal pero man. Pass by LJ. And dito sa basket. Yes! Ipinay pa. Another rebound by LJ. Another rebound by LJ. LJ kinalabaw. May nakuwang foul. Si Pascal. May nakuwang foul. So, 2 minutes and 30 seconds to welcome yung kabila ng lawan para sa isang kalabaw-kalabawan.
Oras.
Ang ating oras ay 2 minutes. Dala po ng tubig-tubigan. Victor Tequier pass by Jose. Nice! Kinalawa, hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Arman, pass by Paul. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Tanway White. Binamuang foul si Mr. Victor, jersey number 23. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Pass by Paul. Paul by Malyari. Malyari! Good rebound by Lee. Lee by... Good steal by Kaibigan. Kaibigan jersey number 13. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Arman. Nagkaroon ng mapapasahan. Arman. Pinukol. Hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Victor. Victor by Mendoza. Mendoza binababa ang bola. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Hindi mag-pass by Victor. Yes! Hindi pumasok. Good. May nakuwang foul. Foul by Arman. Ang ating oras ay 1 minuto at 8 segundo. Good rebound by Malyari. Malyari pass by Arman. Arman by MJ. Yes, sir! Itinutok na ang bola. Ang ating oras ay 53 seconds. Ang kalamangan ng white team is 3. 13-10. Ready by Pusang Item. 44 seconds. Mendoza. Wala pa rin. Mendoza. Ayun, pumasok na. Nakuha sa pilit. 35 seconds.
May tumawag sa'yo.
32 seconds. 30-10. Dalawa-dalawa ang kalamangan ng puti. Puti na naman po ng Mantala. Hindi pa rin pumasok po ng Vasquez. Ang ating oras, 80 seconds, 50, 40, 30, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
May saray ba yan?
Black team, mayroon sa gitna. White team, Ian, Oni, Rob, Pam, Eds.
Pinapatay ka po.
Pwede, pwede natin.